Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarah's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sarah. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. First off, I had something brought to my attention and no one likes eating alone. So I'm going to be eating my dinner with you guys while I film this tonight. And also, I am going to be doing a bit of an experiment. I'm going to be seeing what actually happens if you pour without silicone and what happens when you pour with it. So stick around and we'll get started. So like I said, I'm going to be doing an experiment, but I'm also going to be eating my dinner while I layer these cups, because why not? I ran up to the local pizza place and grabbed a slice of pizza or two. I also have a dipping sauce, so food. So I'll layer the silicone cup first. Now I will mention the silicone cup or silicone oil that I use in all the colors. Well, you'll probably be able to see them on the lids on the next batch, because I don't like adding silicone to my actual containers of paint. Like you can see, Liquitex, dioxazine purple, same stuff. So get this stick out of here for now. Because I'm only using 8x10 canvases, I really don't need too much in the paint department. So I added 3 drops of silicone this time because I really wanted to make, well, the point. I just painted my pop. Oh well. So like I said, don't need too much paint. Probably be able to get like 2 layers out of this, and that's about it. But 8x10. And so I'm happy I've started releasing again. It makes me feel all squeaky on the inside. I'm just gonna do the same thing again. I think it'll look nice. Sorry, focused. Nothing really exciting has happened. We can go to normal like curbside retail stores, where a lot of them were closed for a long time, and that finally lifted, so yay. I'm gonna move this out of the way for now. Take the lids off everything, make my life a little bit easier. So I guess I will list everything in the description below, since I had to take off the lids. But like I said, don't put any silicone in this. This is just my normal Floetrol water paint mixture. So gonna see what happens. I'm trying to do the same thing for the layering at least. Gold, deep gold, gold, pink, whoops, blue. Those are not even. Never are. So I'm gonna do some quick cleanup and get my canvases ready, and I'll be back. I put titanium white down on the canvases because I like having a white base. That at least allows the colors to flow a little bit more smooth, I guess is the best way to put it. So I'm gonna pour these one at a time. Well, one at a time, but at the same time, I want to eat still though. So, don't know how I'm gonna pull this off. I'm right-handed, so I don't know how to pour this. I'm just gonna. Kind of go like this. That made a neat little squiggly. Okay. I keep putting my thumb in paint. It's not helpful. Okay. Ah! No. Excuse me. Huh. I managed. Do that again. Oh well. So I'm going to torch them both. Off. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some gloves and tilt these. I grabbed a second pair of gloves, but in hindsight, I don't think I'll need them because of how I decided to do this. So a little up and sideways. I kind of want to maintain the lines that I've made because they look neat, but what kind of shake was that, me? I'll go down now. Like, I'm not too concerned I'll be able to straighten it back out when I need to. Come on. It's very slow. I didn't really get that bottom edge, but that's okay. One down, one to go. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna go corner to corner on this one, just to see. This one seems to be more fluid. So, no silicone, and this one. They both look real cool. Pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take off these gloves and torch them again because I gotta. So I'm gonna let these just kind of chill for a little bit and I will be back with a wet flyby. So this is the one without silicone. I know that Floetrol can make cells if you add enough of it. And apparently with the gold I did, so that's okay. I do like this one though. It's really cool. I'll give it that. I do like the lines in it. a very neat effect. This lizard snake thing is just different. But you can see the difference with the one with silicone. You can see all the cells that decided to pop up, which is just so cool. I don't think I should have added 3 drops of silicone, but we'll figure that one out in a future video. So I will be back with a dry flyby very soon. So this is the one that had silicone in it, and now that it's dry, you can see the gold really popping up through it. I really like it. Wow, it's pretty. Yeah. And this is the other one without silicone. If you want to check out my other experiment, it'll be linked here in the end screen. I did an experiment with different types of silicone to see how they would react in the painting. So go check that out. Make sure to like this video, and I will see you all in that next one.